Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to request a refund from Emirates. First, you'll have to open your browser and search for Emirates on your PC. Then you will get to this webpage, www.emirates.com. Now you will have to navigate to the help section. Just click on it. Then go to the section which is called changing or canceling. Click on it and it will redirect you to another page, and in here you need to enter your book and reference last name and your book and reference number. So enter your last name in here and enter your booking reference number and select retrieve booking. So the booking reference in this booking reference number section, enter your 6-character booking reference code and the last name of the passenger as per the booking, and go ahead and click on retrieve booking. So once you click on retrieve booking, it's going to direct you to the refund request form page, and you will be able to refund your flight. And once you're all done, you will have to submit it. Once submitted, you will see a confirmation message on your screen, and you will also get an email. Refunds usually take 7 to 30 days depending on your payment method. If it takes longer, do not panic. You can contact Emirates support through live chat or social media for updates. Now, what if you booked through a travel agent? If you didn't book directly through Emirates and used a travel agency or a site like Expedia, you'll need to request the refund through them, not Emirates. Emirates won't be able to process it directly in that case. And before you request a refund, check if your ticket is eligible. Non-refundable fares often only allow changes or travel vouchers, not cash refunds. Emirates is pretty flexible with COVID-related and schedule change refunds do. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.